This one, I wonder whose tattoo?
Looking genie.
Then by wearing this tattoo, I can show off and boast about it. Yes. I just can't bear this itching anymore, as if thousands of mosquitoes have jointly bitten me at this very spot mercilessly. Aren't you my tattoo?
I am not really your tattoo. I am a genie of...
I wish to have a grand treat. Samosas, jalebis and lots of rasmalais.
I am not a genie who takes orders. I am a genie who gives orders.
I'm also not the one who takes orders. I am Kalia the Great who gives orders.
Just remember, your tattoo arm is now under my control.
Instead of slapping us like he always does, for the first time boss is slapping himself. We are all going to play and have fun by the river. Why don't you also come, Kalia? And make sure you carry soap with you.
Why soap?
Just for more and more cleanliness.
I see. So they are planning to wash me off by having a thorough bath. You are terribly scared of water. You will not have a bath. You will not go to the river.
Yes, I'm terribly scared of water. I will not go.
Come on, boss. We will take you to the river.
I will not have bath.
Acting smart with a genie. How dare you?
Huh? Bheem, here you go.
Once more. What sort of a genie are you?
So this is where all the gold of Dholakpur is kept, huh? Even the strongest army in the world cannot stand in my way.
Look there! That man! He's using a device on his belt to steal the royal treasure!
No! Everything that's made of iron can be controlled by this device of mine.
Bheem, that magnet thief took off with the royal treasure.
Don't worry, Your Majesty. I will catch that magnet thief and bring him to you. Now we need your help to catch That tricky magnet
He
thief.
uses his magnetic device to control any kind of instrument made of
There has
iron.
to be some kind of way or maybe something to fight against that magnetic device.
Yes, Bheem, of course there is. The anti-magnet device.
What kind of device is this?
I will explain everything. You see, these two magnets are negating each other's powers. In the same way, this magnetic device that I've made can destroy the powers of that magnet thief.
So then what are we waiting for? Let's go!
I have almost reached home. Before the sun sets this evening, I will be the richest thief in the world.
Only in your dreams, magnet thief.
What? I think no one informed you that defeating me is next to impossible.
So, how was that?
Raju, Kalia, Chutki and Jagu, all of you go and stand close to the royal treasure. I will get it down right now.
I'm going to stop it myself, because as soon as I stop it, your friends and the royal treasure both will be plunged into the depths of that ravine and vanish forever.
Don't worry about us, we are fine. I had got Professor Dhumketu's super elastic balloons with me.
Now I will see to you, magnet thief.
Well done, Bheem. I am so proud of you. No matter how wicked the thief may be, when he faces you, he realizes how puny he is.
Your eyes open, Jagu. I don't want to become a rabbit by the curse of the dwarfs. Huh?
Then you have to eat carrots your whole life.
Now wait and watch how I scare these scaredy cats. Toss them and turn them into rabbits. They will have to eat carrots for life. Wait! What are you doing? Kalia has lost control over his horse. We need to go and help him. Somebody stop this horse! Somebody help me, please!
Need to find a way to calm the horse down.
Chutti, throw a laddu towards me. Come on.
Here you go.
Here you go, horsey. Try this delicious laddu. Good horsey. Nice horsey. Are you all right? Somebody asked me if I'm okay. Rest here for a while. This one is too thin. This one is too thick.
Who dares throw sticks on us?
None of you are useful for me at all.
Threw sticks on us again and again! You are about to get a beating and you cannot back it! Kala, bing, kala, ging, kala, ching. Make this kid's feet huge.
Look what these elves have turned my feet into. Oh dear Elf King, please accept this token of friendship from us. And please forgive our friend's ignorance. He won't do it again.
I am pleased by receiving this gift from you.
There couldn't be a better gift for people who are kind and considerate, like all of you. I'm sure you will not hesitate in giving us a small gift in return too. I mean, I request you to turn my friend's feet back to their original size. You will do that, right?
These elves are going to test you now, Beam. This is an old ritual they follow.
Farming device need one just like that. We will use that device to grow flowers for us. And I hope you all won't let us down. Otherwise, all of you will be walking with huge feet.
Come on, dear friends. Let's make a device for them.
We
want what's best for you.
Bring back his actual feet.
That's what we want to do.
Your feet will return to their normal size. But within next 24 hours.
What? The next 24 hours? You mean one whole day? And what am I supposed to do with these oversized feet till then, huh?
Earlier we came third in the cycle race and now we came last. You two are so slow.
Slow? If we had not given you a push, then forget about coming last. You wouldn't have even completed the race.
How dare you talk to me like that?
Run
Wait, forget it. It is very hot. I can't run anymore.
Oh, good. I'm sweating so much right now.
Me too. I don't feel like playing anymore in this heat.
Come to my house, all of you. Mom was going to make lemonade for everyone. You can have laddus with it if you like.
If we like.
They mean to say, of course they'd like to. Come on, Chutki.
Oh, wow, Beam, so yummy.
Yes, so tasty.
Yeah, really.
Have some, Uncle.
Thank you, my child.
You have some too?
In this heat, what works best is the lemon mint juice.
Really, this time the heat is truly unbearable.
The rivers and wells are running dry. If this continues, then there will not be any green meadows for the cattle to graze on, nor will we have water for our fields.
Actually, it should have rained by now.
It has become quite late. We will also leave now, Mossy.
Avi uncle, please do take care of the spaceship till we all come back to it.
Wow.
Why is it so easy to jump in the air over here? because the pull of the soil out here, I mean gravity, is much lesser compared to our Earth. Got that, Chutki?
Everyone hold each other's hands.
Strange. Why are they getting scared of us and running away?
We are so cute to look at. Not scary at all.
I think these Martian people don't like guests. Look.
Throw away your weapons and come along with us.
Huh? Well, our weapon is laddus. And we can't throw them away.
And we have come here on an important mission. We can't go anywhere with you guys.
6 cards means 6 laddus.
Yes. Here you go, Bheem.
1. Two. And 3. Hey, just a minute.
Yes, giving you.
4 and his 5.
Hold on. This last one will have to face me now.
Garage!
And here is 6.
I have a feeling we should get ourselves arrested intentionally.
What?
But why so? Just think. Who could have possibly ordered our moon to be stolen away? Well, whoever rules this planet, he must have ordered it. And all these guards follow whose orders?
Got to be the same ruler of this planet.
That's right. So if we get ourselves arrested, we can reach directly to him. That's a nice plan. But we'll have to act as if we are losing. Okay.
No. Come along with us quietly.
Hey, just leave us. Come on, let us go.
Saw that, Bholu? Our Kalia boss is a boss even in acting.
No talking. Enter.
Look up there! Dark clouds!
This means the sun will shine and there will be rain too.
Finally, there will be some rain in Dholakpur.
And then we'll jump up and down in the puddles. What fun!
Bheem, children, come. Kalia and Bholu are already here to see my kitchen robot.
Kitchen robot?
Yes, made of glass, my helper in the kitchen can do so many jobs.
Oh, can he even scream like Kalia?
Oh no, what's this? The robot is out of control.
Hey, Bholu!
Why are you making him chase me? Oh no!
We were just trying to make an omelette for you, boss.
This way I'll become an omelette myself. Help me! Help me, someone! Help me!
What were you both up to?
Nothing. We had only pressed